Former 90 Day Fiancé star Varya was worried sick about Natalie Mordatseva not responding to her during Tropical Storm Elsa in Tampa Bay. While rumors have been swirling about Natalie's relationship status with her husband Mike Youngquist, Natalie has made it clear through her Instagram posts that she has been spending a lot of time in Florida. While living in the Sunshine State, Natalie became friends with Varya, who has also been in America for a while. Given their close bond, Varya was understandably nervous about 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After cast member Natalie during the recent storm. Recently, 90 Day Fiancé fans have been hearing a lot about Before the 90 Days star Varya, who has been sporting an unrecognizable face online. Varya, who also received her first American document, a temporary driver's license, has been flaunting the effects of Botox injections on her face. Just like Varya, her unexpected best friend Natalie has also been getting cosmetic treatments, including liposuction, a vampire facial, and a supposed nose job, which fans think she lied about on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. The two ladies were first spotted together enjoying a trip to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter theme park in May 2021. While initially fans thought the 90 Day Fiancé stars were just visiting Florida, it soon became evident that both Natalie and Varya have possibly made the state their home. A kitchen and oven in Varya's recent Instagram stories were supposedly from Jeffrey's home, which led fans to assume they had not really split up. Alongside, a fan also recently claimed that Natalie was now a Tampa resident and was cast in 90 Day, The Single Life Season 2. Rumors swirling that Natalie even had a Florida-based boyfriend. However, while their relationship statuses are not confirmed, Natalie and Varya's friendship surely is, as per their many Instagram stories. Varya, who has been busy hustling as a blogger and YouTuber, updated fans about a package of hers getting lost at the post office. The 90 Day Fiancé celeb was tense about being stuck there, but her package was eventually retrieved after 15 minutes of searching. Some fans seem to have asked Varya about Tropical Storm Elsa. As she said in the story, about the weather, "Many people asked me where's the hurricane, it's not here." But Varya added that, it's apparently in the Tampa area, and spoke of crossing her fingers for Natalie. She continued, "I tried to message her yesterday, she doesn't respond, and makes me really nervous." Ukrainian actress Natalie reposted Varya's story, and said, "Varya love, it's so nice that you care for me, I also care for you." Natalie assured Varya she was fine and drinking all the day coffee, as it was the first hurricane in her life. Natalie laughed, "I survived," and shared how she hopes she gets some sleep tonight. In a later update, Varya told her followers that she just talked to Natalie and that she's safe. Varya also mentioned that she's glad the hurricane didn't affect her. The exchange also hints that Natalie posting a photo of Uncle Bo on 4th of July was fake, just as Bo said,